in Fantasyland. Yep, and there's the castle, and I think we'll go for a walk through the castle because I think Lizzie's hiding in the castle. So let's go take a look if she's hiding in the castle. All right.
Look at that.
I love that.
Oh, sorry. You got excited about the hair.
You take your time, you take pictures, enjoy. So anytime you want, you can pause and then look around all over the place. Welcome back. Living dioramas. Spooky, but very cool. I like it. Oops, I tapped the glass. I see the fairies just did it. That's very cool. The fairies did their green candles. That's cool. All the candles are out. There's Sleeping Beauty.
I'll read what you want. Unbeknownst to Maleficent, the good fairy Merryweather had changed the curse so that the princess would not die but sleep. Three good fairies from the entire kingdom continued to dwell until the day Aurora was awake.
Hey, there's someone walking by the door. Here they comes.
Princess Aurora's love, and the noble possibility of getting up to release her involves that's why I get Mommy.
You all good, Mom? Look at all those creatures in the background.
Oh my God.
Aria, Maleficent turned herself into a flame, spewing dread. Stop its skull and off. With a fierce battle, its finally through his soul and struck the dragon. Sweet, come here, watch. Turns itself into a dragon.
Make it pink.
Make it blue.
Make it blue. Make it pink.
Well, we went through the whole castle, could not find Lee's. Found a lot of other great things, but that was quite magical. But no Lee's. Well, we'll keep going around Disneyland and just keep searching for my wife. So stay tuned. We got a lot more coming.
Woohoo!